Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can live stream from phone with Streamlabs mobile app. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply download the Streamlabs from your Google Play Store if you're using an Android or even on your Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. And after installing, just open the application of Streamlabs. Then from here, just click next button below here to proceed. And as you can see, it will ask you some of the question and just all you need to do is to simply select your purpose and click the next button below here or the skip button if you want to skip this part. And after that, select a layout that you prefer. We have here default and custom layouts. And after selecting your answer, just click the save button to proceed. And to go live, make sure that you also enable the camera and also enable the microphone in order to go live properly. Then after that, you will be directed on this page. It will ask you on the pop-up question if you want to start recording or casting with Streamlabs. So just click the start now button if you want to start live. But I'm just going to select cancel button since I'm going to show you how it works. And below here, it will show you some of the options that you can start navigating with here, your mic, your chat, and you can even flip the camera if you want to and see the event list that you have. And as you can see, the camera is responding on the top left corner. And by simply clicking the icon on the top right corner, it will show you that you will be able to switch between scenes. However, each scene can only be used in the orientation that you created. And aside from this option, you could also navigate on the top left corner by simply clicking these three lines. It will show you the scenes and the account settings option. And below here, you can even change into night mode. And also, if you want to change the layout of your scenes when you're live, you can do so by simply clicking the scenes option on the top left corner. And as you can see, we have here used the default one, but to create new scene, just click this button. Then from here, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you some of the layout that is pre-made. And from here, all you need to do is to simply select the layout that you prefer. And after that, make sure that you also name this scene that you choose. For instance, I'm going to name this scene as sample 1. Then just proceed by clicking the create new portrait scene button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you need to continue using your Twitch account or by linking your YouTube account, Facebook, Travo, and even custom RTMP. Or alternatively, you can even sign in using your TikTok account, in which by signing in, you'll be able to start creating the scene that you just choose. Now going back to this page right here to start going live using your phone in Streamlabs, as you can see that the camera is now facing in front and it is responding to my camera. And aside from that, if you want, you could also turn on your mic if you have something to say during live. And to start going live, just click go live button and after that you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to simply choose a website or a platform that you want to live with. So just log in either your Twitch account, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and even Travo account. Or alternatively, you can even log in using your Streamlabs ID. But let's say you've now successfully logging in to your some of this platform that you choose. Going back in here, just click Start Now button on the pop-up window. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that you are now start live, in which this is what it looks like. From here, you can even turn on your mic if you have something to say during live. Check your chat spaces and even your event list. And after that, you can even open some of the application on your mobile phone and while playing some of the games that you want to live stream using your mobile phone, you can do so using the Streamlabs platform. And let's say you've now successfully turning on or open one of the application in your phone, your viewers will see it under this kind of lives. So basically, you can simply go live without your face or with your face while playing the games from your mobile application. And if you open the Streamlabs, this is what it looks like. This is the thing that you will see. But also, you need to make sure that before going live on Streamlabs, you also need to consider by signing in or logging in some of the platform that you want to go live with, such as by connecting Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Trovo, and even TikTok account. Since if you did not log in or sign in to any of these platforms in Streamlabs, you'll not be able to create your new scenes and even interact with your followers using the Streamlabs platform while doing live. So that is just basically how you can live stream from phone with Streamlabs mobile app. So if you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.